Let's talk about lips. This year, it's all about feeling good in your own skin and playing with makeup in a way that feels totally. Forget the old rules. This is about joy, expression, and finding what makes you smile. The big trend? The lip lift hack, a magical makeup trick for fuller, lifted lips using just a few products. It's about celebrating your natural shape and boosting your confidence. We're embracing a softer, more romantic vibe. No more harsh, overdrawn lines. This trend works for everyone, enhancing your features, not hiding them. We'll break down the colors, techniques, and secrets to make your lips look their best. So grab your favorite lip liner and let's dive into the world of 2025 lip trends. Ready to transform your lips with a simple trick? Let's get right into the lip lift hack. This is about to become your new favorite step in your beauty routine, and the best part is, it's quick, easy, and totally non-invasive. This clever makeup technique uses just a few products to make your lips look instantly fuller, more defined, and beautifully lifted. No needles, no appointments, and no pain required. It's all about working with what you have and enhancing your natural shape. To start, grab a lip liner that's close to your natural lip color. This will help the effect look subtle and believable. Begin by carefully drawing a soft, rounded line just above your cupid's bow. Don't worry about being too precise. Think of it as gently tracing the natural curve, but with a little extra lift. When you reach the outer corners of your lips, here's the secret. Instead of following your natural lip line all the way down, flick the liner slightly upward. Imagine you're creating a tiny, delicate wing at each corner, almost like a cat eye, but for your lips. This subtle lift at the corners gives the illusion of a more youthful, upturned pout. Next, add a touch of liner to the very center of your bottom lip. This little detail helps create the look of extra volume and a pillowy pout, drawing attention to the fullest part of your lips. Now here's where the magic happens. Blend. Use your fingertip or a small brush to gently smudge the liner inward, softening any harsh lines. This step is key for a seamless, natural-looking finish. The goal is to blur the edges so the liner melts into your lips, creating a soft gradient effect. You want the color to be most intense at the outer edges and gradually fade as it moves toward the center. This ombre effect not only makes your lips look fuller, but also gives them a plush dimensional appearance that catches the light beautifully. Once you've blended, fill in your lips with your favorite lipstick or a nourishing balm. For an extra boost of fullness, dab a bit of gloss right in the center of your lips. This trick reflects light and makes your lips look juicy, hydrated, and oh so kissable. With just a few easy steps, this simple hack can instantly lift and plump your lips, giving you a fresh, confident look. It's perfect for everyday wear or when you want to add a little extra glam to your makeup. Try it out for yourself and see the difference. Your lips will thank you, and you might just find your new best friend in your makeup bag. The lip lift hack pairs perfectly with 2025's dreamiest trend, the blurred lip. This look is taking over runways, social feeds, and beauty counters everywhere, and for good reason. It's a fresh, modern twist on classic lip color, and it's all about embracing softness and subtlety. Instead of harsh lines or overdrawn shapes, the blurred lip trend invites you to play with color in a way that feels effortless and romantic. This look is soft, romantic, and perfectly imperfect. No more sharp, crisp lines. The edges are gently smudged, creating a dreamy watercolor effect that flatters every face shape and skin tone. It's the kind of makeup that looks like you just finished a popsicle or shared a sweet kiss. Playful, youthful, and totally on trend. The blurred lip is all about a diffused, soft focus finish that's easy and modern. It's inspired by the effortless beauty seen in K-beauty trends, but with a 2025 twist. Think more pigment, more personality, and more ways to make it your own. Whether you're going for a barely there tint or a bold statement color, the blurred technique makes lips look plush and inviting. Achieving this look is simple. Just dab your favorite lipstick or lip tint in the center of your lips and gently tap it outwards with your finger. The goal is to create a stained, lived-in effect that looks like you've been wearing your lip color for hours, but in the best way possible. No brushes or fancy tools required, just your fingertip and a little creativity. For extra dimension, try blurring your lip liner before adding color. Lightly smudge the liner with your finger or a cotton swab, then layer your lipstick or tint on top. This creates a soft gradient that makes your lips look fuller and more dimensional, without any harsh lines. The best part? This trend is incredibly versatile. Go subtle for day with a rosy nude or peachy pink, or amp it up for night with a deep berry or classic red. The blurred lip works with any shade, so you can match your mood, your outfit, or the occasion. The key is a hazy edge that makes lips look full and pillowy. This soft outline gives the illusion of volume and youthfulness, making your lips appear naturally plush and inviting. It's a subtle detail that makes a big impact, especially in photos or under soft lighting. Plus, the blurred lip is incredibly forgiving. If you make a mistake, just blend it out. No need to start over. It's easy to apply, low maintenance, and always looks chic, whether you're heading to brunch, a meeting, or a night out with friends. Don't be afraid to experiment. Play with different colors, finishes, and intensities to find your signature blurred lip. Try layering gloss for a dewy effect or keep it matte for a more understated vibe. The possibilities are endless, and the trend is all about making it your own. Remember, sometimes the most beautiful looks are the ones that aren't perfect. The blurred lip celebrates individuality and the beauty of imperfection. So have fun, get creative, and let your lips do the talking in 2025. Let's talk color. 2025 is all about rich, expressive shades. For cooler months, moody and vampy tones like brick red, crimson, cocoa brown, and burgundy are in. These shades are classic with a modern twist, confident and bold. When it's warmer, the cherry glazed lip is everywhere. A sheer, bright cherry red with a glossy finish for a juicy, popsicle-stained look. Finishes matter too. High shine gloss for glazed lips, soft velvet mattes for blurred looks, and even a touch of frosted shimmer for fun. There's a color and finish for every mood, bold, playful, or nostalgic. Mix and match to express how you feel each day. Makeup is your box of crayons. Use it to create your own masterpiece. No rules, just fun. Red carpet moments are the best inspiration. At the 2025 Emmys, stars rocked moody red lips, deep, dramatic, and elegant. Scarlett Johansson wore a velvety brick red, keeping the rest of her look simple to let her lips shine. Jenna Ortega's deep brick red was modern and edgy, while Selena Gomez went for a sheer orange-toned red, fresh and vibrant. Chloe Sevigny chose a unique yellow-toned red for an artistic twist. These looks prove red isn't just one color, it's a whole spectrum. To get Scarlett's look, try a matte brick red. For Selena's, go for a sheer, glossy orange red. Take inspiration and make it your own, no red carpet required. A bold lip can make any day feel special. Try these shades and see which one makes you feel like a star. Ready to nail the technique? Whether you're a total beginner or a beauty enthusiast looking to level up, this is your moment to shine. Think of this as your personal playbook, packed with expert secrets and easy-to-follow steps that will help you unlock your best look yet. Here are pro tips from top makeup artists, the kind of advice you'd get backstage at a runway show, or from a friend who's mastered every trend. These little tricks can make a huge difference in your routine. Steve Kasajikian suggests outlining lips with liner, but don't just follow your natural lip line. Play with the shape a little to enhance your features. Start at the cupid's bow and trace gently, using short, feathery strokes for precision. Then blur the liner inward for soft definition. Use a small, fluffy brush or even a cotton swab to gently diffuse the edges, creating a seamless transition between liner and lips. This technique gives a fuller, more natural look. Tayaba Joffrey recommends using your fingers. Yes, your fingertips are your best tools. They warm up the product, making it easier to blend and control. The warmth helps melt color into lips for a natural stained effect. Tap the color on, building up intensity slowly, so you can customize your look from sheer to bold. Press and dab, don't swipe, for a romantic finish. This technique keeps the edges soft and the color looking effortless, like you just finished a popsicle. Gabriella Elio says moody mocha, cinnamon, and muted cherry tones are the season's most wearable and flattering shades. These colors work for day or night, and they're easy to dress up or down. Try holding different shades up to your lips to see which ones make your complexion glow. Don't be afraid to experiment. Sometimes the most unexpected color becomes your new favorite. Choose shades that complement your skin tone. Think about your undertones too. If you have warm undertones, look for colors with a hint of orange or brick. If you're cool-toned, berries and blue-based reds will pop beautifully. Brick reds are perfect for warm undertones, while berries flatter cool skin. Nervous about overlining? You don't have to go all out. Just overline the center of your lips for a subtle, plump effect. This draws attention to the fullest part of your mouth without making the shape look unnatural. Keep the corners natural for fullness without looking overdone. This trick is a favorite among makeup artists for a reason. It's easy, quick, and instantly makes lips look more youthful. Swatch colors on your hand to find your best match. The skin on your hand is similar in tone to your face, so it's a great way to preview how a shade will look before you commit. Makeup is practice. Don't stress if it's not perfect the first time. Everyone makes mistakes, and that's how you learn what works for you. Wipe it off, try again, and have fun experimenting. Each attempt is a step closer to discovering your unique style, so embrace the process and enjoy the journey. Every attempt brings you closer to your signature look. Remember, confidence is the best accessory, so wear your new lip look with pride and let your personality shine through. Lips look best as part of a complete, harmonious look. For skin, try Butterskin, a hydrated satin finish, or Velvet Skin, a soft matte that pairs with moody lips. Blush trends, sun-kissed flush for summer, creamy across cheeks and nose, and cloud blush for fall, diffused airbrushed color. Cherry glazed lips pair perfectly with a fresh sun-kissed blush. Blurred lips love a gentle, seamless flush. For eyes, keep it simple with fluffy brows or try graphic liner for a modern edge. Let your lips be the star, with eyes and cheeks supporting the mood. Mix and match for endless combinations. Create a story with your whole face. Every element should work together for a look that's uniquely you. Let's talk products. The right tools make trends easy and fun. For blurred lips and the lip lift hack, try Urban Decay, Glide On Lip Pencils, or NYX Smushy Matte Lip Balm. For moody reds, Bobbi Brown Luxe Matte Lipstick or Chanel Rouge. Allure Liquid Velvet are top picks. Maybelline Superstay Vinyl Ink is a great drugstore option. For cherry glazed lips, Violet_FR Bisou Balm and a clear gloss give that juicy, shiny finish. Cream or liquid blushes like Saïd Dew Blush are perfect for cloud blush. Set your look with a light dusting of Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder. Start with a few favorites and build your kit as you play. That's your guide to 2025's playful, beautiful lip trends. From the lip lift hack to blurred lips and bold reds, it's all about joy and self-expression. Embrace softness, celebrate imperfection, and find what makes you feel amazing. Makeup is a tool for creativity, not a requirement. These trends are ideas to inspire you. Make them your own. Try something new, experiment, and don't worry about perfection. The most beautiful thing you can wear is confidence and kindness. A smile is always the best accessory. Play, glow, and remember, you are beautiful every single day. Go get 'em!